Upgrading your home with new windows is one of the best investments you can make in the villages. Not only does it improve curb appeal, but it also enhances comfort, boosts energy efficiency, and adds long-term value. However, many homeowners unknowingly make mistakes during window installation that can compromise these benefits. Avoiding these pitfalls ensures your project runs smoothly and delivers the results you expect. Mistake number 1. Choosing the wrong window style. Every home in the villages has unique architectural features and lifestyle needs. A common mistake is selecting a window style that doesn't fit the home's design or functionality. For example, picture windows may provide beautiful views but won't open for ventilation, while casement or double-hung windows offer airflow but may not maximize natural light in every room. Homeowners should carefully consider how each room is used, the direction of sunlight, and desired airflow before making a decision. Tip: work with a professional who understands which window types complement Florida's climate and your home's aesthetic. Mistake number 2. Overlooking energy efficiency. Florida's heat and humidity make energy-efficient windows a must. Unfortunately, many homeowners focus only on aesthetics or cost and ignore efficiency ratings. Poorly insulated windows can cause air leaks, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and raising utility bills. Tip: look for windows with low E-glass, double or triple panes, and ENERGY STAR ratings. These features help keep your home cool in summer and warm during cooler months, while also protecting furniture from UV damage. Mistake number 3. Attempting DIY installation. While DIY projects can save money upfront, window installation is not a simple task. Even small mistakes, such as misaligning frames or failing to seal properly, can lead to drafts, leaks, or structural damage. In Florida's climate, improper installation can also lead to mold or water intrusion issues. Tip: hire experienced window installers who have the right tools, training, and knowledge of local building codes. Professional installation ensures precision and long-lasting performance. Mistake number 4. Ignoring local building codes and permits. The villages, like many communities in Florida, has building regulations to ensure safety and durability. Some homeowners mistakenly skip permits or ignore local requirements, which can result in fines, project delays, or even the need to redo the work. Tip: partner with a contractor who understands local codes and can handle permitting for you. This saves time, stress, and ensures compliance. Mistake number 5. Focusing only on price. It's tempting to go with the cheapest option, but low-cost windows or installers often come with hidden expenses later. Poor quality products may need replacing sooner, and inexperienced installers may leave you with problems that require costly repairs. Tip: instead of focusing solely on upfront price, evaluate long-term value. Quality windows and professional installation may cost more initially, but they deliver better performance, durability, and energy savings over time. Mistake number 6. Neglecting proper maintenance planning. Many homeowners assume new windows require no upkeep. While today's windows are easier to maintain, they still need regular cleaning and occasional inspection to ensure seals, locks, and hardware stay in good condition. Tip: ask your installer for guidance on proper care. Simple steps, like cleaning tracks and checking weather stripping, can extend the life of your windows. Final thoughts. Window installation in the villages is an exciting upgrade, but avoiding common mistakes is key to maximizing the investment. From choosing the right style and prioritizing energy efficiency to ensuring professional installation and compliance with local codes, each step plays a role in long-term satisfaction. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you'll enjoy beautiful, durable windows that enhance comfort, lower energy bills, and keep your home looking its best for years to come.